Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I'm going to do a review video on the new Fenty Beauty Easy Drop Blurring Skin Tint. Now, I saw this and I was just like, I need something light and I'd like to have something, you know, that really looks natural on the skin. And when I saw Blurring Skin Tint, I was like, so I have bought this in shade 5. I really have no idea if it's gonna match me. I'm just letting you know now, because if it don't match me I'll be quite upset, but it is what it is. You know, it's hard to do online shopping, but recently I bought 3 foundations and they've matched me pretty darn well, and that's without testing them. So I bought number 5. Number 5 says light medium with warm yellow undertones. Yes, I am light. I could have gone with number 3, which was light with warm neutral undertones, but I was a little bit scared that it's a bit too light. Now I'm scared this is a bit too dark. So, well, you know, it is what it is. So about this foundation, I think I bought this for, it was on offer when I bought it. I bought it off of Boots. I think I bought it for like 23 or 22 pounds something instead of the original price, which is probably like 29 pound, if not 29 pound, 25 pounds. So I did get it on offer, and this is what it looks like. Little tiny little thing. I really hope this matches me, seriously. Love the bottle. It's a really tiny little thing. It's a 32ml bottle of foundation, which, let's see, in comparison to a normal foundation, well, it has 2ml more than this Stila one. This is my tanning one, but it has 2ml more, 1.8. So this actually has more than the normal, so that's actually quite nice. You get a little bit more. Okay, so let me read out what it is telling me on here. It says instant blurring skin tint in 25 flexible shades, buildable light to medium long wear coverage with quick blur complex for a hydrating diffused effect, smooth texture that layers well with primer and skincare, applies well with fingers or brush, humidity, sweat and transfer resistant formula. Fantastic. Do you know why? Because I'm going out after this video and I'm going to wear a face mask. So transfer proof, let's put it to the test. So it is 100% cruelty free, which is fantastic. And I think this is my first Fenty kind of like foundation type thing. I didn't buy the original foundation. I only bought the concealer and the loose powder, which I still have here. Love this stuff, it's in butter. Okay, let's give it a go. Let's not waste any time. So I'm going to use a brush. I'm going to use my tried and trusted, this is the Expert Face Brush by Real Techniques. Love this brush. I've already primed my face and I have moisturized. I use the NYX Marshmallow Primer, which they kindly gifted to me. So let's try this out. This looks like my shade. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm very excited. Okay. Has a thicker consistency. Okay, it's a little bit more warmer than my skin, but I can make it work, I think. I just need some blending down the neck. But so far, I've got a lot of redness on my skin. Don't know why. Should really get it checked out, but you know, it is what it is. And it's looking very nice and natural. Oh, that looks nice and natural. Okay, so thank God this actually matches my skin quite nice. A little bit more peachy toned, but it's okay because I can always just blend that down my neck. So as of yet, very nice, very natural looking. It's giving me somewhat of like a glow, which is quite nice. We love a good glow. I'm all for glow. I don't like dry matte. I don't like it. The only thing I'm worried about as of now, because it's coming out a little bit more warm than my actual skin tone, is if it oxidizes. Now, if it oxidizes, oof, what am I going to do? Because I'm going to look like a peach, which I don't really want to look like. Okay, so this is the first layer on my skin. Very, very natural looking, basically skin. I feel like it's giving me a really nice glow if that's not the moisturizer. I mean, moisturizer obviously helps, but I think it's giving me a nice skin-like look. Let me take a closer look. Okay, let me just blend this out here because I feel like I might be a little bit dry in this area and I don't really want it to cling. Okay, I think I'm just going to add a tiny bit extra in just the places that I feel like I need it. Just a little bit of redness here that I want to cover up. I think that's about it. It's only a little bit on the cheeks that I want to cover up a little extra. I'm not going to take too much because I don't think I need too much anyways. I'm just going to layer that just a tad. Okay, so this is the skin done. Let me zoom in. All right, this is the close-up. Now I'm looking at my monitor over here, so what do you guys see? To me, in the mirror, it looks chef's kiss. It looks really natural. On camera, it might look a little different because remember, this is high definition. And on camera, it just looks hella prominent, like my pores, but that's just with light involved. If I turn off my ring light, hold on. This is what my skin looks like in natural lighting. But then again, camera and a mirror, two different things. So for me personally, I actually like this. The shade wise, I could have gone for that number 3, but I feel like it might have been too light with a yellow undertone. So I prefer to have something that actually fits my skin tone but be a little bit peachy, which I can always blend down, you know. The only thing, again, like I said before, if it oxidizes. But I'm going to complete my face. I'm going to put concealer, I'm going to powder, bronze. I'm going to do the rest of my face. It's going to be a natural beat. I'm going to finish it off and then I'll come back at the end. Alright, so this is what my face looks like after using the skin tint, this little thing right here. I think my face looks pretty darn flawless, if I do say so myself. I think my face looks great. Yes, it says it's transfer proof, but I mean, transfer proof doesn't mean mask proof, but we'll give it a go anyways. I'm gonna go out, I'm gonna put a face mask on, I'm gonna go shopping, food shopping obviously, and I'm gonna see how it lasts. It's nice and sunny outside, so we can see if it works with combo skin, because my skin can be very oily in my T-zone. It can also be very dry around this part of my face, and also just between my eyebrows. So we're gonna give it a go. So this is what it looks like right after applying, doing all my skin stuff for my face, so and so. So to me, it looks really nice and flawless, and for something to be like light coverage, which I don't usually use, is quite nice. It's not a watery light, it's more of like a thicker light consistency, so it gives off a really nice texture if you wanted to build it up to more medium coverage. So I am gonna go and I'll come back. Okay, so this is basically 4.5 hours of me wearing the Fenty Eaze Skin Tint. Oily, which is obvious to me. I knew I was going to get oily anyways. I have oily skin. Me and my dumb self forgot it's Easter Sunday today. Nowhere's open, so luckily my newsagents was open, so I wore a face mask for what, 10 minutes or something. I don't know, 5 minutes. I wasn't in there for that long. It didn't come off, which is nice. It didn't come off, so that, I mean, it was a fail for the transfer test, but as of now still looks natural, just a little bit oily. So I was going to get some powder. I was going to get some of that Fenty powder in butter. I'm just going to pat off the excess. I'm just going to remove that oil, because I'll be looking a bit too oily. And just like that, I look a little bit better. So here's my close-up to me. I think I still look good. Yeah, I like it. And it's quite light. I don't think I see much of a shade difference. Yeah, it's a little bit more peach than my actual skin tone, but it's workable. I think it suits me really darn well. On the website it says it's humidity and sweat proof. I'm not gonna lie to you, my haver kicked in just a little bit and I had a tear run down my eye, and I literally have a tear streak going right up to here on my nose, and I can see where the makeup came off. I'm not necessarily saying it's water resistant, but heat and sweat, I mean, sweat do be dripping down people's faces, you know. So I don't know if it's possible to wear it. It's also very hot outside, so well, I was sitting in the sun for a little bit, but I can see a little bit of a drip patch down my nose, and my eye leaked a little bit, so I see a drip patch, so I'm not too sure about that. But let's hope if I wear this, no water splashes, no rain, no nothing lands on my face, because it might just come off. But other than that, I don't have anything else really bad to say about it. To me, I think it matches well. I think the details they use to describe the shades, like light medium, light with warm neutral tones, so and so, I think they describe it very well. I was really stuck on choosing a shade. I was gonna choose between a 3 and again 3 and a 5, because a 3 is light with warm neutral undertones, and the thing is, I'm light with cool undertone, but that would have been shade number 1, and shade number 1 to me is incredibly light, like really light, and I don't think that would match me at all. Well, I like the shade range. Again, it's Fenty Beauty. She always had a humongous shade range, which is fantastic because we love a good shade range. We like all inclusivity. So yeah, to me this looks pretty good. I don't think I'm gonna need to wear it any longer, because what am I doing? I'm sitting in the house all day. But I love how flawless it looks on my skin. When it said skin tint, I was expecting much more of a watery, lighter consistency than the consistency that it came out. So to me it felt more like a foundation, very similar to my L'Oreal Fresh Wear type consistency. It was slightly thicker than usual, but still comes out with a nice coverage. To me, I like it. I only needed to use a little bit more just to cover up, give me extra coverage on my cheeks, but other than that, it's one layer for the rest of my face, and I like it. So to me, it's a pass for sure. Give it a try if you can. I think that, again, the shade detailing, letting you know what shade and undertone it is really helpful. So bear in mind, like, go onto the website, onto the Fenty Beauty website first, and look at everything there. So all of the shade range and all the description on it, because it's the easiest way to find your shade, and then buy it wherever you are around the world. So yeah, this is the look. And yeah, again, I bought this for £21.25. It was on offer, I believe. It's supposed to be £25. So in England it's £25, and I believe in America it's $29. So it's your normal let's say high-end foundation price, and it's good stuff. So yeah, this is it. And if you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.